Chok Town on Penang Island is the most visited spot of Malaysia. The stunning colonial streets of Chok Town are a center for culture, street art, and the country-best street food. The differences between Chinese houses and skyscrapers side by side give this town a unique atmosphere. We stopped by a hawker on the way to have breakfast. There are hawkers everywhere, and most of them have been making their own specialty dish for decades, so it's hard to go wrong. You can get a huge variety of dishes, and the char kway teow is amazing. Don't forget to take a cup of coffee for the wonderful morning. The Klang Jetty consists of 8 jetties, named after their surnames: Lim, Chu, Tan, Lee, Chiok, Quay, Penon, and Miss Glens. Chu is the famous last name, and it means the entire long stretch of jetty and residents with Chus as their last name. A Klang Jetty is actually a village built on stilts, and these were built by some pioneer Chinese immigrants. Each jetty comprises of row houses on stilts joined by wooden walkways over the water. The water village set up more than a century ago. If you are in Chu Jetty and you are a big fan of durian, try durian puffs at a small stall named Dessert and Smile, and you will never regret. Chok Town is, without a doubt, the king of street arts. Hundreds of murals inhabit the small radius of the old town, now developed into one enormous art trail. Follow the trail via bike or on foot. Audit the map and see what you happen to stumble across in the many side streets. In 2012, Penang's Cultural Commission asked Ernest Yacharovich to brighten up the streets of Chok Town, and his artwork are famous throughout Penang. A fascinating fusion of Eastern and Western influences, Penang is Malaysia's most tourist-visited destination. The island managed to embrace modernity while retaining its colonial traditions due to its well-preserved heritage building. Penang capital, Chok Town, has been accorded a list as a UNESCO World Cultural Heritage Site.